Looking for an e-bike that can take you anywhere, anytime, and can handle any challenge? Tune in and discover the top 5 FatTire electric bikes of 2023 that will inspire you to embrace the thrill of adventure. We've provided all the details and direct links to these fantastic e-bikes so you can easily find the one that suits you best. The products that we are mentioning are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end to find the best one for you. Seeking a bike that effortlessly combines compact storage and portability without compromising on power? Look no further than the Heybike Ranger, a true marvel in the world of FatTire folding e-bikes. This powerhouse is equipped with a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery and a 500-watt brushless geared motor, ensuring long-lasting performance with a top speed of 25 miles per hour. But what really sets it apart are the newly upgraded 4-inch fat tires and shock absorber, allowing you to ride on snow, beaches, and rugged mountain roads with ease. And the convenience doesn't stop there. With its foldable and step-through frame, the Heybike Ranger is easily collapsible and transportable, making it perfect for urban commuting or exploring the great outdoors. The customizable ride performance with 3 riding modes and 7 speed gears gives you full control, while the dual disc brakes and lighting system guarantee your safety on every adventure. This folding e-bike is a true game changer. For all the mountain enthusiasts out there, the HAOQI Cheetah is your ultimate companion. This FatTire mountain electric bike comes packed with features that will make your heart race. The powerful 750-watt brushless motor with 85 Nm torque can easily tackle slopes of 25 to 30 degrees, giving you the confidence to conquer any mountain trail. But that's not all. The 48-volt 16-ampere-hour battery provides a range of 35 to 60 miles per full charge, and it's waterproof and convenient for charging at home or the office. The full suspension system with magnesium alloy air fork and 4-bar Horselink rear suspension ensures superior control and comfort, no matter how challenging the terrain. With 7-speed performance and hydraulic disc brakes, this electric bike promises an adrenaline-pumping adventure like no other. The Gemini X is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest challenges with ease. Its perfect frame, crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, can carry a maximum weight of 400 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty adventurers. The dual battery system, coupled with a 750-watt motor, delivers strong power and a range of up to 120 miles with pedal assist, ensuring you can go the distance. Safety and comfort take center stage with dual hydraulic disc brakes, front hydraulic suspension forks, and 4.0-inch all-terrain fat tires. Whether you're riding through the city, mountains, or snowy landscapes, the Gemini X has got you covered. And let's not forget the unique vacuum and leather seat, providing you with an incredibly comfortable ride on even the longest journeys. If long-range exploration is your passion, then say hello to the eAhora Juliet, a FatTire e-bike that's built to go the extra mile, literally. With its upgraded 1,000-watt powerful motor and max torque of 120 Nm, you can reach a blazing top speed of 28 to 31 miles per hour. And the extra-large 60-ampere-hour battery ensures you can cover an astonishing 135 miles on a single charge, so you'll never have to worry about frequent charging. The eAhora Juliet takes comfort seriously too, with its upgraded full suspension system featuring high-sensitivity double shoulder front shock absorbers and double rear shock absorbers. Say goodbye to joint discomfort even on the roughest roads. And let's not forget about safety, with the dual hydraulic fast braking system and extra-large headlight, ensuring you're visible and secure during your rides. Last but not least, we have the Eunorau Specter-ST, one of the best mid-drive motor e-bikes. Powered by the impressive Bafang G510 motor, this bike delivers 1,000 watts of power and 160 Nm of torque. Its torque-sensing pedal assist is perfect for climbing, delivering power tailored to the pressure of your pedals. And with its optional secondary battery and D&M rear suspension, This bike can take you even further and handle any trail with maximum comfort and control. With a SRAM NX11 speed derailleur, shift detection, and Eunorau 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, the Specter-ST ensures a seamless riding experience. Its side aluminum bash guard further protects the chainring teeth, making it an ideal companion for all your adventures. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. We've carefully researched and selected these bikes to provide you with the best deals possible, so you can get ready for the ride of a lifetime. If you enjoyed our video and found the perfect e-bike to suit your needs, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy biking, and see you soon!